Having date night at home, want to make something a little fancy? I'm gonna share a great little treat with you. We're gonna take some toasted bread, top it up with labne and some braised dates. That's right, you heard it here. Give this a try. You'll absolutely love it.
Start with your toasted olive bread, maybe walnut bread, whatever kind of bread you like, and spread a nice tablespoon of labne. Labne is virtually Middle Eastern cheese. Yes, you can use ricotta, but no, you can't use avocado. There we go. Spread it on nice and thick. So labne is a cross between cream cheese and sour cream, if that makes sense. Super versatile and delicious. A little sea salt, some black crushed pepper, and then I'm going to top that off with my braised dates and porcini mushrooms. Little drizzle of fig glaze, some great olive oil, some fresh herbs. My God, that's beautiful. What a great vegetarian dish.
So you've heard of avocado toast. Now try my labne toast with dates and porcini mushrooms. You're going to love this.
For this recipe and more, go to unitedwithearth.com.